It's raining in the background. That's probably why you hear rain, but I've gotten it really nice. This thing is really light because it's aluminum. I'm gonna keep sanding here for a little bit, but I got the shape down and I need to still sand it smooth, but I did already smooth the inside of the spoon right in here, so that's pretty smooth, but I want to make sure these edges and everything are rounded off. I just finished my aluminum spoon. It's really nice. I sanded it up to 2000 grit, so it's really smooth. But I'm really surprised how light it is. It's lighter than most other, even regular spoons.